Hi folks, Keith Roberts of Edwards, Virginia Smokehouse, and today we're coming to you from the banks of the James River with a quick and easy grilling recipe that's guaranteed to make your next cookout a hit. Now we're mighty proud of the rich history of our Virginia foodways here at Edwards, and most people don't realize that agriculture to this day is still the #1 driver of the entire economy here in the Commonwealth. That certainly speaks true to Surrey County, and even us ourselves still manage quite a bit of acreage here on the family farm. Now I went up earlier today. Our main crop this year is going to be corn, and that's our focus. We're going to be doing a pepper bacon wrap grilled corn on the cob. So here we go. Now as I said earlier folks, this really is one of the easiest recipes you can do to make a knockout dish for your next cookout. And it all starts with laying out 3 strips of our peppered bacon. Now of course you can always use our hickory bacon or our maple bacon. It all depends on what flavor profile you want to go to. And just lay the 3 strips right next to each other. Give them a quick little press so they kind of set up together. And take an ear of corn, start at one end. And you want a pretty nice tight wrap on this. It'll help it stay together on the grill. Just slowly roll your corn across till you get nice coverage. It's okay if you have a little bit of corn laying on the outside. Same scenario, you want to press down a little bit, tighten up that seam on that bottom part where the roll hits, and your first one is good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and do that 3 more times. We're working with 4 ears of corn today, and we'll be all set. And there you have it, about 5 minutes total prep time. And we've had the grill heating up for a while. You want it set on a decent medium to medium high heat. You put that seal side down, and the char of the hot grill will lock everything into place. So we're just going to go ahead and set it on the grill. In fact, we're going to go ahead and close the grill just for a little bit to let everything set up. Now the corn's been on for about 6 minutes with the grill cover closed. Again, that's getting all the heat working, getting the fat from the bacon melting into the corn itself, really providing just about all the seasoning you're going to need. So we'll go ahead and flip the rest of them around. We'll go ahead and close the lid down, let it roll for about another 5 minutes or so. All right folks, so total time on the grill, we're probably looking at about 15 minutes. Roll the corn around every now and again, just keep checking for that good sear on the bacon itself. And that is absolutely perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it off the grill now, let it set for about 2 minutes just to finish setting up, and we'll be ready to eat. So there you have it folks, pepper bacon wrap grilled corn on the cob. The perfect way to take advantage of all that the summer months have to offer in fresh produce. A quick and easy recipe, again, guaranteed to make your next cookout a hit. Thanks for checking in. Be sure to check us out at our website at edwardsvaham.com, and have a great day.